in an air-to-water heat pump operating in heating mode. Heat is extracted from outdoor air and transferred to water for space heating or domestic hot water using a vapor compression refrigeration cycle. The first process occurs at the outdoor evaporator, which absorbs low-grade heat from ambient air as the refrigerant evaporates at low pressure. The second process occurs at the compressor, which increases the refrigerant pressure and temperature. The third process occurs at the condenser, where the water-side condenser transfers heat to the circulating water, which could be radiators, underfloor heating, or storage tank, as the refrigerant condenses. The fourth and final process occurs in the expansion valve, which reduces the refrigerant pressure to repeat the cycle. Electrical work supplied to the compressor enables heat delivery to water at useful temperature, typically achieving a coefficient of performance (COP) between 2.5 and 4.5, depending on operating conditions.